On behalf of the Igbos in Rivers State, we are the dominant ethnic bloc of this state. Ikwere people are Igbos. We are not from Benin. Even the late Oba of Benin wrote a book titled, I Remain, Sir, Your Obedient Servant. On page 19, he said he worked in the Ahonda district and he came across the Ikweres and the Chase, who are typical Igbos.
Take your time and listen to the commissioner calling the governor an Igbo man. Just imagine.
And he's also an Igbo man. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What we owe our brother and our father is to stand by him 100%. And I know Igbo has agreed that they will stand by Sibilai Fuara, the governor of Rivers State. And no.
Hey, oh my God. There were some things I have been in Katijuma, because of maybe small change or what chicken money. But the funniest thing, just I'm going to give you the kinene. You enjoy kinene video now. More than I say na abuhomu ikwara abu Igbo. Genti negwo na ago. You get to last so some people are very funny. No, sometimes they're not funny. Egwu na agu be Igbo. Just get to know egwu. Ndị a na-eme ya ịjụ ya afọ ngosi gị Chinyere, Chiamaka, Nkiru, Nkechi, Ifeanyi, Chibuike, Emeka. Yeah, some people. Check it, look at this. No, on a reasonable note, can you come get see put on a mirror? Na agụ egwu Igbo na ikwere abụ Igbo. Onye a na-ekwu ya ọ na-ekwu ọnụ ya ka na-ekwu ọnụ ọra. Onye na-ekwu ya enwere ike ịna n'oche ka ajụ ya ajụjụ n'osu mkpụrụ ajụjụ atọ. Ka ha rabụ ndị a na-agba enwe nke na-anyagharị onwe ya ọmịọ na-abụ asị igere nne ya bụ ihe onyonyo. Ebe osi gbam n'isi pam bụ na ha na-asụ Igbo. Ha na-asụ Igbo egwu agụ egwu Igbo. Asị na ha wụ Igbo ị na-agụ egwu Igbo. Onye na-ekwu ya bịa ka ajụ ya ajụjụ. Just ka ajụ ya obere ajụjụ. Mkpụrụ ajụjụ ịtọ. Yes, ọgụ nwụọla anyị the fourth generation ya. Okay, first question. Just go the fourth generation galaga me and Ampia, their lineage. I do 5. Okay, number 1. I will get every alpha I do afia if na nsubadigo. So what are we saying here now? Some people you cannot for any reason because of the little amount somebody gave you, and you come out to the street and be dancing up and down that you're not evil. Speak for yourself. And let this thing go to every Ikwere blood. Don't do what you regret tomorrow, no matter what is pushing you now. That you have a story or an experience or whatever that must happen that made you to think of denying your identity. Diko Igbo. Abia na Nigeria were 3 major tribes: Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo. It's not by exaggeration. And when Igbo, these people are ancient people. These people, you cannot deny them their identity. You can never in any way truncate their identity. you cannot in any way stop who they are. They are unique people. And when video may play after this women video, we play where a true Ikwere son is speaking out. When the Igbo community, Rivers and Bayelsa, they are irregioful. Under Ismezura TV, not present, which the governor was represented by the commissioner. Listen, anyway, after these videos, I'll throw them out for you to see.
Friend, and he's also an Igbo man. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What we owe our brother and our father is to stand by him 100%. And I know Igbo has agreed that they will stand by Sibilai Fuara, the governor of Rivers State. And nobody can take that fact from us. Nobody can do us by you.
What am I trying to bring up here? Let us stop exaggerating. We see all this nonsense, we see all these things just to maybe go. And one funny thing is that these people that made this thing, they are not even considering their generation. They're not considering. And what is their the government, the people you are trying to pretend you belong to, they know your history. And one day, they will help you to understand it very clearly. So, you get to know here and so. Keep on more French or you be can so yeah. Actually, asụsụ a obini asụsụ enwe ka o si banyete na asụsụ ndị Bini nke wasi na-ebu ha onye Igbo kezi onye ebe bụ isi n'ịbụ onye ebe a sị na abịa na anụ Igbo ụbọchị nwatakịrị egbupụtara anụ ndị okenye egbupụta anụ na-eke anụ nwatakịrị isi ebe o si je mmanya aka na anụ agwụ ya ka o si agwụ ya na abịa ga-eso lọta mama ya ibe kerekwa m unu oh my God enwe ya bụ emechi etu a na-asị ndị na-eme ya na-echekikwa echeki na vidiyo tụsara m ozi a ọ bụ na Ezumezura TV ka ozi na-abịala gị nwe ka bụrụkwa nwanne gị nwoke Maazị Obinna Chukwueze nwa Obiala ana m ekene gị were asa maka melụ gị ọ bụ na Ezumezura TV ka ozi na-abịa gị biko tụsara ya ozi a ekwena ka ihe melụ ndị nna nna anyị n'ikpochi ntị mee ndị agbụrụ a. We must speak out the truth no matter how ugly it will sound.
They went any horror. Come on, make go. Nariama. Man. And very quickly, I want to say thank you, sir, on behalf of Ohaneze Igbo in Rivers State. On behalf of the Igbos in Rivers State, we are the dominant ethnic bloc of this state. Ikwere people are Igbos. We are not from Benin. Even the late Oba of Benin wrote a book titled, I Remain, Sir, Your Obedient Servant. On page 19, he said he worked in the Ahoda district and he came across the Ikweres and the Ches, who are typical Igbos. So if the custodian of the Bini heritage could on record say that the Ikweres and the Ches are typical Igbos, you are going behind to say you are Bini. The man is saying no, you are Igbos. Nobody owns Igbo. And there is no superior Igbo, neither is there an inferior Igbo. Igbo has different language dialects. Ikwere is one of them. As a matter of fact, Ikwere is about the biggest. If you draw the census, Ikwere is the biggest language group in the entire Igbo land. One of our progenitors, late Senator Dr. Obiwale, whose son is here today, became minority leader of the Nigerian Senate. That was an Igbo slot, and it was given to him by his Igbo brothers. We are not begging, it's not a privilege for us to be Igbo. We are not trying to be Igbo. We are not looking for Igbo to protect us. We are Igbos. You can choose to say whatever you want to say. You can hold any opinion about Livingstone, but I dare you. I dare you. Whoever it is, I dare you. So you cannot, because of a post-war script and narrative, come here to undermine our identity. It is a colonial script to divide us, so we become diminished in the face of our neighbors. Our neighbors know our capacity. They know our courage. They know we are a global institution. That Igbos all over the world. Igbos all over the world. We are more than 80 million. I was talking to Chief Mike Okiro earlier and he was talking to me about a man called Njoko, who is from Kenya. And he mentioned to me a particular Theophilus Okiro, who was one-time minister in the government of Kenya. Am I correct, sir? People have said he's an Imo State man, and I asked, when he joined the police, did he join because he wanted to be IG and took reverse slots? At the time he was IG, we prided in this state that our son is the Inspector General of Police. And you're coming to say he's 75 and going. Today is this year is your 76th year on earth. What else? He has seen it all. We are not looking for endorsement. We are not looking for recommendation. We are not looking for acceptance. Africa survives on the strength of Ndi Igbo. Africa survives on the strength of Ndi Igbo. Every Ikwere man you see is an Igbo man. You can choose to deny it